504 Essential Words. Lesson 10, Part 1. Excel. Excel. Be better than, do better than. Because he was so small, Larry could not excel in sports. At least Hannah had the security of knowing that she excelled in swimming. Clarence Darrow wanted to become a prominent lawyer, but he felt that he must first excel in the study of history.
I don't particularly excel at reading facial expressions. I don't particularly excel at reading facial expressions.
Excel. Excel. Feminine. Feminine. Of women or girls. When my sister wants to look feminine, she changes from dungarees into a dress. Aunt Sarah can always be counted on to give the feminine viewpoint. My brother is ashamed to cry at a sad movie, because people might think he is behaving in a feminine manner.
Using feminine wiles to get what you want. Using feminine wiles to get what you want.
Feminine. Feminine. Mount. Mount. Get up on. Congressman Jones mounted the platform to make his speech. The watchman mounted the tower to see if there were any people in the vicinity. My sister couldn't mount a horse, so they gave her a pony instead.
Louder. Louder. Louder.
Mount. Mount. Compete. Compete. Try hard to get something wanted by others, be a rival. The former champion was challenged to compete for the tennis title. The runner was reluctant to compete in front of his parents for the first time. When the amateur became a pro, he had to compete against better men.
Don't let Potter compete. Don't let Potter compete.
Compete. Compete. Dread. Dread. Look forward to with fear, fear greatly, causing great fear. The poor student dreaded going to school each morning. He had a dread feeling about the challenge he was about to face. I dread going into that deserted house.
I dread you. I dread you. I dread you. I dread you.
Dread. Dread. Masculine. Masculine. Of man, male. The boy became more masculine as he got older. It is undeniable that his beard makes him look masculine. The girls liked Jerry because of his masculine way.
May that first child be a masculine child. And may that first child be a masculine child.
Masculine. Masculine.